Peace, love, and light to my beautiful and amazing Cosmic Soul Tribe. By now, you should know me. And if you don't, I'm the Cosmic Soul Plug. And my goal is to do my very best to help you understand and eventually navigate your soul's purpose. So, today, I'll be talking about what a life path number is and how to calculate it. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so now you may be asking yourself, what exactly is a life path number, or even what purpose does it serve? So, for starters, your life path number reveals the special path you're supposed to take while navigating in this lifetime, okay? Navigating through this lifetime. And this happens to be the most important number in your core profile because it reveals a few key attributes about yourself. And those key things are your natural talents and abilities, or like I say, your innate talents and abilities, the things that you come here with that are embedded in your blueprint, and character, as well as unique opportunities and important lessons that will be of a tremendous help towards you being able to achieve your destiny. Okay. And your life path number reveals more about your true nature than any other number. And it is considered the blueprint, as I stated before, for your opportunities and challenges while on this journey. Now, let's look a little bit more into what calculating your life path numbers look like. So what I'm going to do really quickly is share my screen so that you can see for yourself, okay? Technology is doing its thing. So let's see how that looks. All right. All right. So let's get to it. Okay, so now, calculating your life path number is what I want to apply focus on right now. So, numerologists actually use several different ways or methods to calculate the life path number. Some methods are more simplistic than others, and some can also reveal false master numbers and karmic debt, and we don't want that. But I found that the way that you can avoid a bunch of confusion is simply by adding each number in month, day, and year of the birth date individually first. This is not my disclaimer is this is not my method. This is a method that I have followed as well. So it is the easiest, the most less complex. Okay. Then you'll begin adding the three reduced digits together. Unless the only time you don't reduce a digit, remember, is if it's a master number, but you can add another number to a master number. Okay, if that makes sense to you. So now allow me to show you how you'll begin the calculations and what that actually looks like. So here it is on the screen. Basically, you will use the numerical months of the calendar as follows. Okay, so you have January, which is the first month of the year, February, which is the second, March, which is the third month of the year. Then you have April, which is the fourth month, May, the fifth, June, the sixth month of the year, July, the seventh month of the year, August, which is the eighth month, and so forth and so on, with September, October being the 10th month, which reduces down to 1 plus 0 equals 1. So if you remember back when I first introduced how the formula for calculating double digit numbers, you can always go back and watch that video as far as how we did calculate, I believe it was the life path number. Okay. So no, it probably was the birthday number. Okay. So the format is not too different. And then we have November 11th. Remember, I said you do not break down or reduce the master numbers down to a single digit, but you can add a single digit or whatever other digit to a master number and add those things together. Okay, so and also we have December 12th. This is another, as you can see on the screen, which reduces to 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, so let's use an example by something, a birthday that I've made up. Okay, so that you can get the gist a little bit more as far as what I've just explained to you. So let's begin with this example you see before you on the screen. Okay, so we have December 30th. Somebody's born on December 30th, 1963. Now, that happens to be somebody's birthday, and that can be anybody's birthday. I don't know you. Okay, so that's my disclaimer. I just made this up. All right, so I don't want anybody getting a little too touchy or thinking that I'm pinpointing somebody or using their information, because that is totally not the case. Okay, so we have December 12th. Well, December is the 12th calendar month. Okay, so it breaks down to 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, so the month's number is 3. And the day is the 30th, which that's where you see the 3 plus 0 equals the 3. Okay, so the birthday number is 3 and the year is 1963. So we want to add each digit to that of that year together. So 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. And that reduces down to a 19. And although you don't see it on the screen, but you can pretty much put the 2 and 2 together, the 1 plus the 9, which equals 10. And then you have 1 plus 0, because we have to reduce the 10 down, okay, which equals 1. So then what you see is your life path number is the month plus the year. So in this case, it will read as 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7. So 7 is this individual's life path number. Okay. Now, digging a little deeper into the meaning of what a life path number is, or its significance, your life path number uncovers where you will find success, power, and energy. Okay. More importantly, it will reveal the shadow side of your personality, and including hidden motivation. Okay. So once you've tapped into this knowledge, it can lead you to some really promising places and positions in your life, because you'll be able to utilize your natural talents and capabilities. Okay. As well as nurture your relationships and have greater self awareness. And lastly, these descriptions offer insight into the other numbers in your core profile, and the placement of each number affects its meaning. Okay, so I hope that wasn't too much for you. You know, I hope it wasn't too overwhelming for you. And you can always go back and replay this video, okay? Because it'll be here. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. So I'm going to conclude it. I'm going to conclude, I don't know, you guys have to excuse me, because we're still in a retrograde, okay? And I believe Mercury retrograde just started yesterday, to be exact. So we're going to stumble over some words, but we're going to keep it pushing too. Okay. So that's going to conclude our session for today. And you already know I'll be back to cover more on the energies of each life path number. So, like always, if you like or love the content that I've been sharing here on this channel, please feel free to hit that like button and leave a positive comment if you wish. And don't be shy about hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell, because that's only an exchange of energy and a way of showing love. Okay. So keep an eye out for more amazing content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace and love, family. Ashe.